Good morning. I am your new teacher Shanamis. I am take the basic science in 7th standard and the first chapter in 7th standard, reaping gold from soil. Reaping gold from soil. Do you have vegetable garden in your home? Are you maintaining it every day? The maintaining alone is not enough to get a more yield. Some other fact to be considered to this. First one, fertile. The other factor is fertile soil. And second, favorable climate. And fourth one, quality seeds and planting material. Quality. These are the other factors to consider. We can get a more better yield. And fertile soil, favorable climate, quality seeds and planting material. Next, we discuss about quality of a seed, seeds quality. Next we discuss about seeds quality. A single plant getting more yield, plenty of seeds. A single plant get more plenty of seeds. But these all seeds are used for farming? No. Why the reason? The quality of the seeds are not same. The quality of the seeds are not same. So we cannot use all seeds for farming. So in order to take your notebook and write the question. The question is, write the quality essential for a plant from which seeds are collected. The quality essential for a plant from which seeds are collected. All of you write? We just think and write the answer. After a few minutes, I tell the answer. All of you get the answer? Okay. Let's listen here and see first point. First point is seeds we collected from. Seeds must be collected from fruit. It form in mid-span. Seed must be collected from fruit. It form mid-span. Second point is collect diseases-free plant seed. Seed collected from diseases-free plant. And third point, collect seed from high yield plants. High yield plants. Collect seed from high yield plants. These are the 3 points essential. Consider essential for a plant from which we collected. And next we discuss about collecting and storing of a seed. Next topic is collecting and storing of a seed. First one, sowing and sprouting. This is the sowing and sprouting. This is the process of transplanting of a plant after sowing and sprouting. Transplantation of a plant after sowing and sprouting is called sowing and sprouting. Second point, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means that the formation of the plant from seed. Formation of the plant from seed, the process is called sexual reproduction. Third point is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means the formation of a plant. The formation of the plant from parts like stem, root, etc. Formation of the plant from a part like stem, root and leaf. This is called vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. So collecting and storing of seed, there are three processes: sowing and sprouting, sexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction. Sowing and sprouting means that the formation of a transplantation for plants transplanted into after sowing and sprouting. The sexual reproduction means the formation of the seeding, the formation of the plant or seeding after from the seed. Vegetative reproduction means that formation of a plant from the part like stem and root is called vegetative reproduction. And all of you write the next question. Write an example of a plants. Write example of plants formed through. Write the example of plants formed through sexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. It is a homework for you. You write the draw the two column, sexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction, and write the examples of plant that formed through the sexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. Next we discuss about layering. Next method is layering. Layering means there are more steps for this process. Like 5 steps included in the process. First one, select a branches of plant from which sapling is to be produced. If sapling is to be produced, select a branch. Select a branch of the plant. Select a branch of the plant which sapling is to be produced. Next, the branches of the tree must be pencil thick. The branches of the branch must be pencil thick, and the main branch from the main stem are better. The branch from the main stem are better. Okay, now we discuss reaping of gold. The chapter reaping of gold from the soil. Through this chapter we discuss about quality of the seed and collecting and storing of the seed. It is essential quality for collecting the seed from the plants, that is discussed. Okay, that's all today. Thank you.